Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Let's make shadowing more interesting. I've thought of taking an AI and asking help from AI to practice shadowing. Let's see how it goes. It's actually going to be very interesting, guys. Stay with me, watch my video, and you'll get a lot of clues and ideas on how to practice shadowing with an AI, which is very simple, very easy. You don't have to choose or pick up any piece of information. You don't have to worry about anything. You just have to take up your phone and start talking to the AI. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So we all practice shadowing in different ways. So yesterday I was sitting idle and I just thought of taking up an AI and start speaking to it. Right? So shadowing came to my mind, and I just asked a question like, can you please help me with shadowing practice? And trust me on this, it was a very fruitful, very good, very interesting, very fun session. And I really liked it. And that is why I thought of taking this up in this session today, so that it's easier for you to start practicing English speaking. Okay, in this way, or shadowing in this way. If you can start with this, it will be very easy for you to take it ahead also. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, hi, can you please help me with shadowing practice or English shadowing practice?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help with shadowing practice. Shadowing is when you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, mimicking the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. I'll say a sentence, and then you repeat it after me, okay? Here's the first one. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now your turn.
The quick brown...
That's fine. Let's break it down together. We'll go slowly. The quick brown fox. Try that once more.
The quick brown fox.
Good job. Now let's repeat it once more together, but a bit more smoothly. The quick brown fox. Try again.
The quick brown fox.
Good attempt. Let's smooth it out. The quick brown fox. Try once more, focusing on each word clearly.
The quick brown fox.
Well done. Let's try it a bit faster this time. The quick brown fox.
The quick brown fox.
You're doing well. Let's try it together once more.
So let's try Google Gemini. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Hi, can you please help me with English shadowing practice? Let's see.
Of course. Shadowing means repeating what someone is saying right after they say it, like an echo. To practice this, find an English speaker you like on a podcast or YouTube, and try to match their pronunciation and rhythm as you listen. You can slow it down at first or read the script along with the audio if that helps. Would you like some examples of what to say?
Yes, of course. If you can help me out with that, that would be great.
Certainly. Try repeating phrases like, how are you today? Or I'm doing well, thank you. You could also use sentences like, what do you like to do for fun? Or I enjoy listening to music.
Sure. Can you please help me out with some sentences so that I can repeat it with you or I can shadow with you?
No problem. Let's try some more. You can repeat these right after me. Can I help you? Or I'm sorry. Another option is, thank you very much.
Sure. I want you to help me.
No. Certainly, here are some short sentences you can shadow. How are you? What's up? Have a good day. See you later. And sounds good.
I want to shadow with you. If you can help me with some sentences.
Certainly, let's try some sentences you can shadow with me. Try repeating this. The early bird catches the worm.
The early bird catches the worm.
The phrase, the early bird catches the worm, is a proverb. That means that the person who takes the earliest opportunity to do something will be the most successful. It emphasizes the importance of being proactive and starting early to achieve one's goals. It suggests that those who are prompt and seize opportunities quickly are more likely to gain an advantage or achieve success compared to those who delay or wait. It's a common idiom used to encourage diligence and prompt action. Let's practice shadowing in English. I'll say a sentence and you can repeat it right after me. Could you pass the salt, please?
Could you pass the salt, please? Can you please share some more sentences so that I can practice that with you?
Let's do some more shadowing practice. Repeat after me. What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day.
Good job. Now try this one. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence includes every letter of the alphabet, which can be good for practicing different sounds. Would you like to give that one a try?
Yeah, can you please repeat again?
Alright, let's try it again. Pay close attention to the pronunciation and repeat it with me. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
You're doing great. Would you like another sentence to practice shadowing? Certainly. Let's continue with our shadowing practice. Try repeating this sentence. The early bird catches the worm. Would you like to give it a try?
Yes, the early bird catches the worm.
Exactly. That means taking advantage of opportunities by acting promptly. Do you want to try another sentence?
Yes.
Here is another phrase to repeat. Practice makes perfect. Would you like to repeat it?
Yes. Practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. The more you practice, the better you get. Do you want to try another sentence?
Yes.
Or would
yes.
you like to know the meaning? Okay, how about this one? Every cloud has a silver lining. Would you like to repeat it?
Yes. Every clouds have a silver lining.
Good try. It's actually every cloud has a silver lining. It means that even in difficult situations, there's always a positive aspect to be found. Would you like to repeat it or try a new one?
Next sentence.
Alright, let's try another sentence. Repeat after me. Actions speak louder than words. Would you like to try that one?
Action speaks louder than word.
That's close. It's actions speak louder than words. Would you like to try it again? Or would you like to know what it means?
Yes, I would like to try it again, and I would like to know also what it means. Action speaks louder than words.
Alright, let's try it again. Repeat after me. Actions speak louder than words. Phrase means that what someone does is a better reflection of their intentions and feelings than what they say. For example, saying I'll help you is good, but actually helping is even better.
Yes, absolutely. Action speaks louder than words.
Yes, that's it. It's a great proverb. Would you like to practice shadowing another sentence?
No, thank you. Thank you so much. See, it was so good. I mean, you can just practice sentence by sentence also. But here what we are doing is we are repeating after the person or after the AI. This is also initially you can start doing this and then you will get into the habit of shadowing. So this is basically repeat after me. Okay, you are repeating after them just to understand what the sentence is and to get an idea of how the sentence is spoken. So this is a very good way of to start off with this practice. Okay, you can take any AI, whichever is there in your phone, whichever is there in your laptop or whatever is there with you. You can take any AI and you can just start speaking to it. I've spoken to Perplexity also. I've spoken to ChatGPT also. So if you're comfortable, you can take up ChatGPT. You can take up Perplexity as well. But I've used Gemini just because every phone has Gemini. It's a Google product and it's there on your home page. The home page of your Google has this AI voice mode. Okay, so you can click on that and you can just start speaking to the AI. So this is the most common AI which is available in your phone or available with you. So you can just try it once. Okay, so in this way you'll get a clarity of how it is pronounced, how things are spoken, how the intonation, rhythm, everything, you will get a clue about it. And you can just repeat after them, that's absolutely fine. Okay, and then probably later on, you can just take up any podcast, any interview, anything whichever you wish, and you can just start repeating with them. There are lots of websites also which has these kind of, shadowing practices also. So it is not a big deal. You can just start off with these AIs and then you can take up any of the videos you wish and you can just listen to it and you can repeat with them, along with them. You can take up my videos, you can take up any videos, YouTube videos also, and you can just start repeating. Okay, like let's do some shadowing practice here. Okay, I'll pick up some sentences, everyday use sentences, and you can shadow with me. Okay, number 1. Hey, how are you doing today? Hey, how are you doing today? I'm okay, just a bit tired. How about you? I'm okay, just a bit tired. How about you? Right? Repeat with me or speak with me. Third, it's such a nice day, isn't it? It's such a nice day, isn't it? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Next, I'm meeting some friends for lunch. I'm meeting some friends for lunch. Next, it's been ages since we met. It's been ages since we met. Means for a long time we haven't met, right? Next, what are you up to? What are you up to? Next, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Next, call me later. Call me later. Next, anyway, it was great chatting to you. Anyway, it was great chatting to you. Okay, so these were some basic simple sentences which we every day use. There are lots more which we use, but these are some sentences which I just thought of taking up and trying to help you with shadowing practice. So here in this case, you can just repeat after me and then try to repeat with me once you have registered that sentence. Once you are comfortable speaking this sentence, you can just repeat with me, along with me. Okay, so start practicing shadowing in this way. You can take help of AI as well. Perplexity has a better version. They help you with, everything. So Perplexity is also very good and ChatGPT is also very good. You can try these as well. Okay, for your shadowing practice. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.